The human brain, a cosmic wonder in its own right, possesses the ability to soar beyond the boundaries of the imaginable. But as we go deep into the complexities of modern life, navigating through responsibilities, it's easy to overlook the treasure of potential within ourselves. Let us embark on this together, where creativity knows no bounds so that confidence reigns. The quest to boost your brain power awaits. Here are 8 tips to boost your brain power. Number 1. Mindful meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and delve into the realm of mindful meditation. This practice helps clear your mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. As you embrace the stillness within, your brain will find new pathways to explore and expand its power. Number 2. Feed your brain with superfoods. Just as a well-balanced diet nourishes your body, certain foods can supercharge your brain. Blueberries, walnuts, fatty fish rich in omega-3, and dark chocolate are among the brain's best friends. Embrace these delicious treats and let them fuel your cognitive brilliance. Number 3. Challenge yourself with puzzles and games. Engage in brain teasers, puzzles, and strategic games to give your mental faculties a good workout. Whether it's a crossword, Sudoku, or a game of chess, these challenges stimulate different regions of your brain, keeping it sharp. Number 4. Get moving with exercise. A healthy body contributes to a healthy mind. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, boosting oxygen and nutrient supply, promoting the growth of new brain cells, and enhancing cognitive functions. Number 5. Never stop learning. The brain thrives on novelty and knowledge. Make it a habit to explore new subjects, dive into books, take up a new hobby, or enroll in a course that sparks your curiosity. A curious mind is an ever-expanding one. Number 6. Prioritize quality sleep. During sleep, your brain solidifies memories, clears out toxins, and recharges for the day ahead. Prioritize getting enough high-quality sleep to enhance cognitive performance and overall brain health. Number 7. Stay socially connected. Human connection is essential for brain health. Engage in meaningful conversations, spend time with loved ones, and participate in social activities. Interacting with others stimulates cognitive functions and fosters emotional well-being. Number 8. Embrace mindful movement. Engage in activities that combine physical movement with mindfulness, such as yoga. These practices not only improve flexibility and balance, but also encourage a calm and focused mind.